Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make a Japi earrings using molded clay. Combine the two elements of clay and then roll it out using a rolling pin. Using a cutter, cut two circles. I used a toothpick to poke holes on the top portion of the circle for the earring hooks to go in. I poked several holes on the lower part of the circle as I wanted to attach tassels. I used Fevicryl to attach the top cone of the Japi. Then I used this golden spray paint to spray my Japis and let it dry. After the Japis are dry, I used this Fevicryl 3D liners to design my Japis. I used red and black. You can use any colors. Now the Japi earrings are almost ready. The last step is to attach the hooks. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.